thousands of years, I looked at the stars and asked one question: are we alone in the universe? Is Earth the only place where intelligence exists? Or are there other civilizations watching the same stars right now? The universe is silent, but silence does not mean emptiness. To understand the possibility of alien civilizations, we must first understand the scale of the universe. There are more than 2 trillion galaxies, each containing billions of stars. Most of those stars are planets. Many of those planets exist in the habitable zone, where good water could exist. Statistically, Earth should not be special, and yet we have found no one. In 1861, scientist Frank Drake created an equation to estimate how many intelligent civilizations might exist in our galaxy. When optimistic numbers are used, the equation predicts thousands of civilizations. When pessimistic values are used, the answer drops to 1: us. The equation shows how fragile intelligent life might be. If intelligent civilizations are common, the space should be full of signals, probes, and evidence of technology. But space is quiet. Physics Enrique Fermi asked a simple question: where is everybody? The contraction is known as the Fermi paradox. One explanation is something terrifying, called the Great Filter. Somewhere between the birth of life and spacefaring civilization, most life fails. The question is not if the filter exists, but whether it is behind us or ahead of us. Civilizations may exist, but remain invisible. They may be too far away. They may use technology we don't understand, or they stay silent on purpose. In a dangerous universe, broadcasting your attention might be a mistake. One strange idea suggests we are not alone at all. Advanced civilizations may be observing Earth without interference, like animals in a zoo. We may be watched and never know it. Simple life be common. Intelligent civilization might be rare. On Earth, life appeared quickly, but intelligence took 4 billion years. That suggests intelligence is not guaranteed. Even when life exists, intelligence is fragile. Most species survive, adapt, and vanish without ever questioning their worth. Evolution is not straight paths. Random events, environmental shifts, and several pressures shape outcomes. Conscious thought, reflections, and curiosity, and real awakeness in a universe of the Fermi paradox highlights this mastery with billions of stars and planets. Why do we see not evidence of other civilizations? Perhaps they exist but are too far, too brief, or too hidden to detect. Some may self-destruct before leaving lasting tracks, while others may deliberately avoid contact. The silence of space may not be emptiness, but a consequence of scale, timing, and rarity. Even so, humanity now exists at this extraordinary moment. We observe, explore, and ask questions about the cosmos. Every telescope, every probe, and every attempt to detect distant signals is part of our effort to understand life beyond Earth. Our curiosity itself stems to all the improbability of intelligence. If we are alone, our responsibility is immense. The choices we make, how we care for our planet, manage technology, and expand knowledge may determine whether hemispheres, containers or ends here in a vast, indefinite universe. Even a single civilization made it. Yes, despite this uncertainty, humanity exists now. We observe, question, and explore. We send machines beyond our planet to search the laws of physics and search for of life in distant atmospheres. Whether we alone or not, our ability to ask these questions gives meaning to our existence. Time itself may also vary civilizations, could rise and fall millions of years apart, missing each other completely. Signals fade, stars move, galaxies drift. The universe does not wait for intelligence to synchronize. What feels like impotence may simply be a mismatch in timing, not true solitude. Whether alone or not, we must crash intelligence. It's a fleeting spot in the cosmic darkness, fragile and rare. Our actions today define the story of life across the stars, shaping not only our future, but the potential legacy of avians itself.